Hi, my name's Edward Plant and I'm one of the founders of the Business League. We've got you down to come to our next breakfast on Wednesday the 5th of September, and I just wanted to say g'day, introduce myself and let you know about all that you can expect at this breakfast. So it's at Bond University on Wednesday the 5th of September and it's going to be a cracking morning. We have the guest presenter is CEO of East Coast Car Rentals, Mark Kingsman. When he joined the company 14 years ago to get a visa. He migrated over with his wife. They wanted to move to Australia and he went down that path. He started out in the teller and has grown to the CEO. During that time, he has taken the company from 1 or 2 depots into 11 depots across the east coast of Australia. They've gone through significant growth and he's going to talk to us about his story, how he's done it, what he's learnt, and how you can benefit off his experiences. So it'll be cool. There'll be heaps of networking time. Bring business cards. The doors open at 6:30 and we kick off the breakfast at 7. We finish at 9 o'clock on the dot. There'll be time for networking before the breakfast. After 9 o'clock, heaps of members stay around and connect. During the breakfast, I'd love to grab you and say hello and just have a talk to you about our vision and the Business League and how we could help you. There's time in the breakfast to actually network and meet other people. It's going to be awesome. Let me know. Come up and say g'day to me or my wife Rebecca when you get there. And if you've got any questions, just hit reply and we'll get you the answers you need. We look forward to seeing you on Wednesday the 5th of September at Bond Uni. Have a great day.